So medicine is changing because now people are demanding this change, and what I'm pleased to see is that as we get older, what I tell people when they listen to me lecture, to either ask your own physician. Some of you, if you're already customers of ours, you have a physician that is involved in this space, functional medicine. And if you don't, find one that, and don't allow them to tell you, say, well, you're getting older. And what that means is you're just supposed to get old and cold and tired, fat, dumb, wrinkly, and have no interest in sex. But this is not the world of functional medicine. Because we're all headed the same direction anyway, right? 6 feet under. But who wants to be dysfunctional and not have a mind or a body that works in their 80s? Because we certainly can. And what we learned in our field is, okay, yeah, we do make a lot of prescription hormones. This is a big part of our business. But now what I'm doing now in the transition for Partel Company, the reason why we have this as kind of a separate banner, the Green Regime, is we've realized the nutritional component is an important step, and that very few physicians have the time to engage patients in teaching them, saying, you really have to eat better to address metabolic syndrome. And even then, when patients say, I've heard so many diets out there, kind of, well, what's right? What should I follow? And that's where I've become a student of what the medical literature says, and I usually make a statement when I give a presentation and say, I do have my opinions, but typically when I'm showing you information and saying, this is what I believe to be the right approach, let's say it's in regard to diet, I base my opinion on what the preponderance of medical evidence shows. And that's pretty clear. So what that'll probably do is, you've probably heard of different diets by name, and there's going to be a small group of them that all fall in one category that kind of fit this model. And we know that we have to add that nutritional component for functional medicine.